This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys on mobile. Fall Guys is a vibrant and fun battle royale game that many enjoy. While it's widely available on consoles and PC, accessing a mobile version can sometimes be tricky due to regional limitations. This guide will walk you through two primary methods to get the game running on your mobile device, no matter where you are located, ensuring you can join the fun. One effective method is using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN allows you to appear as if you are browsing from a different country, bypassing regional blocks. Simply choose a reputable VPN service and connect to a server in a country where the mobile version of Fall Guys is officially released. Then, you can access that region's app store and download the game. Remember to keep your internet connection strong for smooth gameplay. For Android users, sideloading is another viable option. This means installing the game directly using its APK file. You'll need to find a reliable website to download the Fall Guys mobile APK. Before installation, navigate to your phone's security settings and enable the option to install unknown apps. While convenient, always be careful and only download from sources you trust to avoid potential security risks to your device. To optimize your experience, you might consider creating a new App Store account tied to a region where the game is available. If the game has in-app purchases, you may need a payment method linked to that region. Always ensure your game is updated to the latest version for bug fixes and new content. Finally, a stable and fast internet connection, ideally over Wi-Fi, is crucial for an uninterrupted and enjoyable Fall Guys mobile experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.